so many red ants.
Yes, I know, they're horrible, those ones. Our little puppy, come here, let's get a picture of you. Let's get a picture of you. Oh, you are so handsome as well. You are. Yeah. You gotta stay still and I get a good photo of you. Oops. Oh my goodness.
She eat a lot actually. He ate a lot. Can see his belly was actually it's very big.
Do you know if any of them are desexed or have vaccinations?
But actually, I think many of them. Because my wife was actually
She's really good at that.
yeah.
It helps to find home, you know, if you can tell people they're desexed and
Yeah.
people I think.
But I
will-
can't remember which one.
Oh, okay. I can ask Tom. You're a boy, and you're not desexed.
But the two other kitty on the other side probably need home was actually
Which ones?
on the other
Oh, there's-
side. We're gonna
okay.
go there later.
Alright. Yeah, because when they already this size, they're stronger, right?
Yeah.
Little puppy, I need a picture of you.
Mhm.
Yeah, let's try and find your home. It'll be a bit easier for this one to find a home, I think. Is it a boy or a girl?
I think a boy maybe. I'm not sure.
I need to get a good picture of you, my sweet one.
Is it a boy or girl?
I'm not sure actually.
You just leave it. Leave it up.
Oh, it's so hard to tell. I don't know.
No,
I don't
only
know.
my wife, she better. She know better.
I'm not sure. But this little grey and white one.